Now I'm going to show you how to use binary file comparator. So this is our main window, and now to load the files we have 3 windows actually. One is here, second is here, and third is here. So now to load first file, just basically press 1. I load binary file from SRS module to compare before repairing our data, because this is crash data actually. And now second file, press 2. Choose second file and open. So now we can compare 2 binary files. I'm going to load third one, is not necessary for now. If necessary, just press 3 and load third file. So arrow keys is to navigate, is to compare the content, and like you can see there is difference. It's a red color. We can change colors. We can change colors here to night colors or whatever. Is not necessary. It is another color options. But basically this is how the comparator works. We can't edit files here, but what I am going to do, if I need to edit file, I'll open in another window binary files editor and load the same file, for example. And now this is our content in hexadecimal and ASCII, basically using the same arrow keys, or we can use page up, page down also to navigate. And also in editor we can edit ASCII content, basically using keyboard. Type any content here, like D. Alright, and content is already modified here also. Or we can just basically modify our content in hexadecimal here, and that side is modified also automatically. At the end we're going to save the file. I don't want to save the file because it will be mess, but alright, this is example. GG and extension binary. Save. File is saved. Thank you for watching.